If Telegram is giving you an error report, getting stuck on connecting, or just refusing to open properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help get Telegram working again on Windows. We'll start with the easiest troubleshooting steps first, then move into deeper app fixes if the problem is still there. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, we want to make sure Telegram is not already running in the background. Sometimes the app can glitch, freeze, or fail to relaunch because a hidden process is still active. To check that, press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in compact view, click More Details so you can see the full list of processes. Now look through the list for any Telegram processes. You might see Telegram desktop or something similar. Click on it, then select End Task. If you see more than one Telegram process, end each one. This clears out any stuck background session and gives Telegram a clean start. Next, try running Telegram as an administrator. Permission issues can sometimes cause update errors, launch problems, or connection issues. To do this, go to your desktop and find the Telegram shortcut. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. This may seem like a small step, but it can bypass blocks that stop Telegram from opening correctly. If Telegram works after this, you may want to keep using this method while troubleshooting. Now, let's check your internet connection. If Telegram is stuck on an infinite connecting message, the issue may not be the app itself, it could be your network. Try switching from Wi-Fi to another connection if possible, or restart your router. You can also disconnect and reconnect to your current network to refresh the connection. If you want a more advanced fix, you can open Command Prompt and run common network repair commands, but even a simple network reset can often help. The goal here is to make sure Telegram is not being blocked by a weak or unstable connection. If Telegram still shows an error report, the next step is to clear local app data. This is one of the most effective fixes because corrupted cache or config files can stop the app from loading properly. First, close Telegram completely. Make sure there are no Telegram processes left running in Task Manager. Then open File Explorer and paste this path into the address bar, %appdata, %\telegram desktop. Once you're inside that folder, you may see cache files and configuration data. Delete the local cache and configuration folders related to Telegram desktop. This will remove corrupted temporary data, but it usually will not delete your messages from the cloud, since Telegram stores most of that online. After deleting the data, reopen Telegram and check if the error is gone. If the issue still continues, it's time to reinstall Telegram. A fresh install can fix broken files, damaged updates, or installation problems that keep causing errors. Go to Windows Settings, open Apps, then find Telegram in the Installed Apps list. Click on Install and follow the prompts to remove it from your system. Once it's fully removed, go to the official Telegram desktop website and download the newest stable version. Avoid using old installers or unofficial sources because those can bring back the same problem or create new ones. Install the fresh copy, sign back in, and test the app again. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the Telegram error report problem, whether it was caused by a stuck background process, a permissions issue, bad network connectivity, or corrupted local data. The key is to work through the steps in order, starting with the simple ones before moving to the advanced fixes. If this video helped you fix Telegram, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.